I don't know, 500 Spigen case. This is for my iPhone. This is the Ultra Hybrid. So I have a orange case on here, and it's orange phone, and the case is black. So I just wanted to kind of show you what it looks like. I think it looks really neat. It sort of mats it out here. You still have that Magsafe ability there, and it does cover your camera lenses there. So if you put it up like that, you do see there is protection. There's fall protection there. And yeah, it's pretty nice. The one thing that was a little weird to me is that it's rounded here. I'm getting used to that. I kind of liked more of a straight, but I guess the rounded part is nice. But yeah, that's one thing I didn't expect. I'm not sure if it's coming through, but yeah, it is kind of rounded. So yeah, all in all, I think it's a great case. I've had it for a few weeks. I've had these on like all my phones. I just want to make a quick video on it because I think they're awesome and I really enjoy them. And they don't really cost a ton, but I think they're a great value. So that's the phone case there. Doesn't add much bulk. It's got a little bump there. This is the iPhone 17 Pro 2025. It's the orange one. All right.